Welcome back. Today we're going to learn about tables in HTML. Let's do tables. We start with the table tag, and each table tag has a table header. This is simply rows and columns. I'm doing. So it has a row as well. Inside the row of the table, you'll find a table column. So let's put several columns. And this table we're about to make is maybe a table of maybe drinks. Let's say soda, juice, let's say some tea. For whatever reason, that's what I chose. Now let's see what happens in the table header. Let's say it's a table about drinks. Best drinks. Best drinks to have. Now let's load up our table and see what happens. I'll just refresh this page. And this is our table. Nasty business. Let's try and fix it. First of all, let's put it center. So there's a center attribute. Anything that's in between these two tags of center actually goes right in the middle of the page. To make it a little more clear, let's give it an attribute of border, maybe 2 pixels. Let's make a little, two more rows. Let's say coffee. Say water. Milk. Let's say Coca-Cola. Let's say Sprite. Let's say some gin. Now let's load up our table and see what it looks like. Now this is our table. So there are a few things that stand out. First of all, this first column is bigger than these other two. Why is that? This is simply because tables need to have another attribute that sort of makes them balanced. So let's go right here and say table header is spoiling everything because it's bigger. It's bigger than the rest of the table, and it's causing some sort of a loss of balance. As you can see, the table header is so big that it makes these entire columns, all these rows get bigger, sort of to go with the size of this. So we have to fix that. How we fix that is we use an attribute called colspan. This is not where it goes. It goes right here in the table header. So colspan, let's say it goes for 3 columns. So colspan stands for column span column. So the table header will automatically go for 3 columns, making everything balanced properly. And now the other attributes are Probably it's better if they're used in CSS, which we haven't yet covered. So when it comes to tables, and this is what we can do. Where it stops. This is an introduction table, so really. So let's say